Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to make potato samosa. Let's get started. First thing I am going to do is prepare the potato filling for the samosa. Ingredients for the filling, mentioned on the video. You can change the quantities based on the taste you like. I prepared a medium spicy filling. Now let's move on to the dough. I am taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour to a bowl, then adding bit of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now mix the ingredients well, and with the oil, mixture resemble crumbs as you can see in the video. Then I am adding half teaspoon of black sesame seeds, and this is optional. Next I am adding half cup of cold water gradually while mixing the flour mixture. At this moment I would like to know, from which city you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. After mixing them for a few minutes, then it's time for kneading. To get the perfect dough for samosa, kneading is very important. You have to knead the dough at least for 6 minutes continuously until dough becomes smoother. Then add little bit of oil to the bowl and keep the dough covered for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take out the dough and divide the dough into 5 equal pieces. If you still watching the video, you are loving my recipe. If you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. And then make round ball shapes from the pieces. Now I will take one piece and flatter it by using a roller. If you need more crusty, then flatter it to a thick round shape. Then divide it to 2 pieces. Then take 1/2 and it's time to fold the pieces into the samosa shape. Apply some water on the edges, then it will seal properly. Then add the potato filling and again apply some water on the edges to seal it properly. And I am using a fork to make sure edges are sealed properly, and it will give a design to your samosa. Now it's time to fry the samosa. Here I am adding 2 cups of oil and heat them on the medium flames. Now oil is ready and I am adding the samosa to the oil pan. You have to fry both the sides well until color turn into golden brown, and it might take 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's ready to serve and taste with your family and friends. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.